Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So right now we will be working on this delete action. So whenever I am trying to click on this delete, we are able to see an error page. Why? Because here this is our delete button and I have wrapped this delete button using a form with an action destroy and method is equal to post. Now, as I already told you, right? So whenever we are having an action, this is a relative URL. So this one is a relative URL. So that means it will be something like contact/contact ID/destroy. If I try to click on this delete also, you will be able to see contact/destroy it is there. So that means we need to implement the routing for this one. So how we can implement the routing for this one? Let's go into our main.jsx. Okay. So here it should be path which contains contacts/contact ID, contact/contact ID. Why I am writing it like this? Contact/contact ID/destroy. So this is the name we have used it, right? So now I don't want to load the element. So why? Because we don't want to show anything. So I want to have an action that is destroy action. So here I need to call this destroy action. So whenever we are having this one, and if you have mentioned this action, whenever you mention this action like this, so then it will search for this one. So for example, let's create the destroy. Here I am creating the routes, new file, destroy.jsx. I am creating it like this, and here I will do export async function destroy action. So this will be destroy action and we will be passing the params. So params means whatever the dynamic data we are getting it, we will be able to get it in the params. Now this is a destroy, and let's go to here and I will be mentioning the destroy action. That's it. Now we will be getting, now we are able to see here when I click on this one. So now we are able to see this one. When I click on this delete, so destroy action will be fired. If you click on the delete, we are able to see. So you have mentioned and you have defined an action for route, but didn't return anything from your action. Please return a value or null. It is trying to say. So that means we haven't written anything in our destroy action. So let's try to implement this one. So we got the params. Now I want to delete the contact of that particular contact which is having this contact ID. So in our contacts.js, let's try to implement the logic. So in our contacts.js, here I will be writing export async function delete contact. So this is the method which I will be using, and I will be passing the contact ID to here. First I need to get all the contacts, right? Contacts is equal to await dot get contacts. Now we got all the contacts. Now I want to find let index. So where it is actually present. Contacts dot find index of, I will be getting single contact, and here I need to search contact dot id is equal to id. Fine. So we got the contacts dot find index, and if index is greater than or equal to -1. Okay, if it is greater than or equal to -1 means then we found the contact. I need to splice it. Splice it means I need to remove that one. So what I can do, index comma 1. So I will be doing index comma 1. And afterwards what I need to do, I need to update it in the local storage. So let's try to update it in the local storage. Local storage dot set item, and here I need to update the contacts, and the contacts I need to make it stringify. JSON.stringify of contacts. Okay, so that's it, done. So like this we will be doing. Now delete contact, we will be getting the delete contact, and here what I need to do, so here I will be calling await delete contact. So I need to delete the contact. So we will be deleting the contact. So let's try to implement this delete contact. So how we will be writing this one, delete contact. So I need to call, I am implementing this one, right? So let's try to write the delete contact. Await delete contact. and I need to pass the params.contact id. So I am passing the params.contact id. That's it. Now after deleting this contact, what I need to do, I need to redirect. It should be imported from the React router down, and I need to redirect it to the home page. That's it. Finish. So what we have did it here, we are calling the delete contact. In return, in our context.js, we have written the logic for the delete contact. First, we are getting the contacts and we are finding the index where actually the contact ID is present, which we want to delete it. And we are checking that if index is greater than or equal to -1. If you don't find the contact, means it will return the -1, or otherwise it will give the index of that one, like 0, 1, 2, 3, in which position it is present. And we are removing that index, and the one item we are removing from that index, and we are storing in the local storage. That's it. Finish. Now let's go and implement this one. So Leela WebDev, here I am opening here and I am deleting it directly. Automatically this Leela WebDev has been deleted. Now fine, up to here it is looking fine. Now what I want to do is, so here I want to show a confirm message that are you sure you want to delete the contact. If yes means, then only we need to delete it, or otherwise we don't want to delete it. So for that one, what we need to do is, so here we are having this button, right? So here on submit, so you can have on submit is equal to, so delete contact. I will be having a method delete contact. Okay, so this method, it will execute it, and here I will be writing the contact function delete contact, and in this one I will write, and here you will be getting an event. Okay, so here you will be getting an event, and in this event I will write if not of confirm. So JavaScript confirm I am using. Are you sure you want to delete? I will be asking like this question. So now here are you sure means, then no means, then event.prevent default. I will be using event.prevent default. That's it. Okay, or otherwise leave it. Now if I go here in the Leela WebDev and if I click on this delete, it will be asking you, are you sure you want to delete? Cancel. I don't want to delete. Then this one will be not be deleted. Now if I click on this delete again, now are you sure you want to delete? If I click on this OK, automatically this one will be deleted. So now we are able to successfully implement the delete functionality also. Edit functionality is completed and also delete functionality is completed. So now for example, let's say that our destroy action is there, right? So here this is a destroy. So let's say that in any reason it has written an error. Throw new error of oops or anything. So here I want to show some error. So I am writing an error. Now if I click on this delete action, and here if I click on OK, and here we are able to see this error thing, right? Custom error which we have created it. So how we are able to see this one in our main.jsx, if you try to observe, so this is our error element. This error page we are trying to show it. Now if you want to show your custom error means, so here you can write error element. Okay, so paragraph, there is an error. So you can have it like this. Now if you try to see the output for this one, so let's go to the Leela WebDev and I clicked on this one and I am clicking on the delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Okay, and here you will be able to see there is an error. So now we can also implement this customized error also like this. So this is how we will be implementing the delete functionality. Hope you understood about this concept. What I will try to do is I will commit this code in a new branch, that is video-107. Okay, and here I will commit this entire code. So delete functionality. So if you want to refer this code or anything means, so I will be providing this entire code in the GitHub repository URL. The link will be provided in the description below of this video. So you can go to that particular GitHub repository and you can refer the code. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.